Hey everybody in YouTube land, Wide World of Trains here. Alright, in this train video we got a few good trains. We're going to check that out in a moment. But I just want to remind everybody to subscribe to Wide World of Trains if you haven't already. And when you watch my videos, give them a comment and a like. Tell me what you think. Alright, let's get to this train video. Roll it! DPU alright! Says right here on the hoodie, DPU alright. Roll it. That won't wake you up at 3 a.m. I don't know what will. Even though it's about 2 p.m. in the afternoon on today, Monday, June 13, 2022, from Wide World of Trains and YouTube. We got this train pulling up here. That's the NS 315. I thought he was coming through, but he pulled up on the siding. We have another NS train that's going to be coming in this direction that's more high priority. So he's going to wait for him to clear, then he'll be on his way. As I was filming that, excuse me, the air raid siren went off over there. It's actually a fire whistle. Oh boy, it sounds like an air raid siren. I've been standing out here for about an hour. It's time to go get a drink.
wait a minute. What do I see down there? Got another train coming. All right. I was just ready to tell you the symbol of this train. I may as well tell you now. It's CSX M368, but let's watch this next one. Come on in towards the camera. coming to a stop. The end of the train is right down there a little ways, about an eighth of a mile. I don't know why he's stopping there. And there she goes, right there. Big CSX van stack train stops right in front of us, right in front of the camera. Wide World Trains on YouTube. See, the end of the train is about 10 cars down there. I don't know why he's stopping here, because if he has to wait for a crossover at the interlocking to cross over, that's not for another probably a good mile ahead of where the head end is right now. I don't know why he's stopping. Could have hit the detector. There's a detector back to the left. He went over about 3 miles back, so he could have hit that. Hey everybody, Wide World Trains here. Hey, we're at the railroad tracks here, as you can see. We got this big freight train behind me that stopped right in front of me here. And he's blocking the crossing for about the last 10 minutes now. I don't know why he stopped. The head end is about 1.5 miles in that direction. The end of the train is about a 1/4 mile in that direction. He could be waiting for a train to go by so he can cross over on the other track, because there are 2 mainline tracks here and I can hear a horn. So that might be what he's waiting for. I hear a train. Okay, we got something coming. That must be why he's been sitting here. He's waiting to cross over, so he's waiting for this train to clear so he can go on the other track. Let's keep it rolling. Roll it. Of CSX I-158 in that direction. Now we're going to finish watching the I-009 go this way. Roll it. There's the end of I-009, right there. That was an awful odd delay right there. I think he had a lot of room up ahead where he could have waited, but I guess they do it for a reason. Pretty cool nonetheless, though. This train here, the I-009, was waiting for the I-158 to clear the interlocking, apparently. The only thing I can think of. Otherwise he would keep going. There has to be just one track up ahead for some reason. This train here, the I-009, starts out in Port Newark, New Jersey, heads west to Chicago, Illinois, where it terminates at Bedford Park. The other train on the other side that went by really fast, that was the CSX I-158. That train originates in North Baltimore, Ohio, heads east to Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, where that terminates. Cool train meet with a little delay here, all on this Sunday, June 12th, 2022, from Wide World of Trains and YouTube. Go ahead and give the video a like in the comments below. Let me know what you think, and right over there you'll see a little thumbs up symbol. Go ahead and click that. That gives my video a like, helps my channel out. And let me know what you think. Like I said, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to Wide World of Trains on YouTube. We have over 14,800 train videos on YouTube for your enjoyment. All right, here comes the next video. Roll it. Hold it. Now don't click away, because there's more trains to come. There always is at Wide World of Trains, because you ain't seen nothing yet. Here comes the next video. Roll it. AC leader rebuild. Awesome. Solar panel on the side of that car. Right in this yard, about 10 years ago, I got about 20 of those cars. I think it was a rock dumping car, dumped ballast.
There was a female engineer on that train too. The one from 10 years ago or so. I'll have to try to remember to post that. Leave a comment, one of you guys, or girls, in the comment section about the solar panel cars. And post that video so you guys can check it out. He's slowing down a lot. Must be holding up for another train. They've had a lot of traffic today, holding up trains because of track work. Symbol is CSX M560. That train starts out in Cincinnati, Ohio at the Queensgate Yard. Heads east to Buffalo, New York, where it terminates at the Frontier Yard, all on this. Or at Selkirk, New York. That's where it terminates. It's a hot day today, 90 degrees, hottest day of the year. All on this Wednesday, June 15th, 2022 from Wide World of Trains on YouTube. Here comes the next video. Roll it. I got a feeling this tree is going to get really big. I think that's a poplar tree, I'm pretty sure. It already grew about 3 foot this year so far in just 2 months. It's going to be blocking the view pretty soon. Hey everybody, Wide World of Trains here. Today we're doing a member shout out to the members of Wide World of Trains YouTube channel.